Hello and welcome to my new video. In today's video I'm gonna show you what is the difference between full hunter pocket watch and half hunter pocket watch. First I'm gonna show you the difference between open face pocket watch and hunter pocket watch. So open face pocket watch is this one. There is no cover on top, straight glass. So hunter pocket watch, there is a cover on top. To be able to check the time, you have to open the cover, have to press the button here, and after that you're going to be able to check the time. Otherwise there is no way to check the time. Now this one going there, the difference between half hunter pocket watch, which is this one, and full hunter pocket watch, which is this one, is that there is a small illuminate window in the middle. So doesn't matter it's open or not. On the half hunter pocket watch you don't need to open it to be able to check the time. You can check the time straight to that window. So how you see now, the time is 2:25. That's why they put those Roman numerals on top. So half hunter, full hunter pocket watch. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you think you've seen something interesting in this video, please subscribe. Thank you very much and bye bye for now.